This video I will explain hidden features of Google Pay that you should know. Many people use Google Pay only to send and receive money, but the app has several hidden features that can make your daily payments easier, safer, and faster. We will see these features one by one. First one is you can check your bank balance instantly. You can check your bank balance directly from Google Pay app. For that, you have to open the Google Pay, tab on your bank account, select check balance, and enter your UPI PIN. This shows your real-time balance without needing an ATM or banking app. Second one is you can set app lock for extra security. You can lock Google Pay separately from your phone lock. This protects your money even if someone has your phone. For that, you have to go to settings, privacy, app lock, and turn it on for Google Pay app. And choose screen lock or PIN. This keeps your UPI safe. Third one is you can request money easily. You can also request money from someone. This is useful if someone owes you money. For that, you have to open Google Pay, tab New Payment, select the person, and tap on Request instead of Pay. The other person will get notification to pay you. Fourth one is split bills with friends. If you ate food in a group or shared expenses, you can split the bill. Google Pay calculates how much each person needs to pay. For that, what you have to do is you have to go to new payment, split bill, and add friends, then enter the amount. This removes confusion in a group payments. Fifth one is you can see full transaction details. Google Pay keeps a history of all your payments. You can view amount, date, time, receiver, and status. For that, you have to go to view all transactions. This helps you to track spending and avoid mistakes. Sixth one is recharge and bill payments. Google Pay allows you to recharge mobile, pay electricity bills, pay DTH, pay internet, and pay gas bills, all directly from one app. This saves time and avoids standing in lines. Seventh one is multiple UPI IDs. Your bank account in Google Pay can have more than one UPI ID. If one UPI ID is overloaded or fails, you can use other one. For that, you have to go to bank account, manage UPI IDs. This can reduce payment failure issues. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.